Some people treated you like a spare and didn't realize you better than the original. Call me a spare if you want, but if I go, all my oil goes with me. David was the spare son. Moses was the spare prince. Rahab was the spare prostitute. I need you to understand, while you throwing people away, God will use a prostitute to get the people saved. But what she did in a moment is not who she is as a woman. God will take your life and all the things that you think disqualify you, and God will push it to the side and say, I'll birth the anointing anyway. God will take a spare life, a spare prince, a spare son, a spare woman. He'll take Joseph, the spare brother. Jesus was the spare son of a teenage mother. But by the time it was over, baby, that cross saved the world.